Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have an AeroPress coffee maker? If you do, chances are you've been looking for a good way to store and organize all of the pieces. I have the perfect solution. It is this right here. This is from Altura and this is called the rack. It is a hanging shelf for the AeroPress coffee maker and accessories, and this thing is so handy. So it is a simple, easy to use design that you slide right over the existing shelf in your cupboard, and then you're able to easily slide all of your AeroPress accessories right onto the rack, and it gets them up out of the way and they're not falling all over each other, and you're able to organize your coffee station super easily. So we chose to use this right inside the cabinet above where we make our coffee, and it has worked out so well. I absolutely love how neatly it stores and organizes those AeroPress parts. This rack is the perfect combination of being sturdy yet lightweight. It's made from an alloy steel and it feels really solid, but it only weighs 11.5 ounces. So if you have open shelving, you could of course store this right underneath your lower shelves, but putting it in the cabinet for us was the perfect solution to keep everything out of the way and keep the counters neat and tidy. I appreciate that it is a simple, sleek design. It's just nice, simple white, and it also includes these little protectors on the bottom so that it's not going to damage your cabinets. So if you are like me and have one too many coffee accessories, then you are gonna love this AeroPress rack from Altura. It's the perfect solution to keeping your coffee station neat and organized, and you've got your AeroPress coffee maker pieces ready to go when you're ready for a cup of coffee. So I would definitely recommend this, and that's my point of view.